Okay, these bathroom cabinets went from this color right here, all right, to this color right here. So the before and this is the after. All right, refinishing cabinets, bathroom cabinets. The after, all right, the before. All right, now I'm using 60 grit sandpaper. It's more aggressive. Most of the time you're using 80 grit. It takes a lot longer to remove the stain or the paint. Yet 60, it's still considered a medium grit sandpaper as 80. But 60 is obviously considerably more aggressive, but yet it's still fine enough. On this oak, I'm not scratching the wood at all. Okay, it's not showing up in the stain, because usually you'll see swirls, you know, when you're finished if it's scratched. And on this oak, you don't get that with the 60. So keep that in mind. But most of the time, people are using 80 grit.